the bullets. You won't need a hammer to put them in the magazine, trust me. If you're using a hammer, you're working way too hard. Let him start over if he wants.
We'll do it again. Hey, we can really call this pulling a Carlos now, because now I'm going to be notorious for it. Yeah, it's really cool.
It's still different. 516 got it.
But I have it.
That was good save. Doesn't get an advantage. Stand by.
Oh, that would really just slide out. Yeah.
Stand by.
Whoa, whoa,
Other
whoa,
side,
whoa.
other side. Yeah. Left side. Yeah.
There you go.
That's already good. Stand by.
To get this guy some good information. Well, they ended up being really cool. So that. Like, I was hearing about this thing that everyone talking about. I can't get the kid back. Because he was so fat that it all stopped. But he had that much fat on him that like it didn't get to him. And so
like close to the ball.
like
Call it in and then peek.
oh cool, some of them.
Stand by.
I watched a lot of 50.
That's why I think there's where that piece of like I wear that all the time. Right, I notice it's not unzipped with big red pocket. I use the zip over there. That's how I wear it.
Stand by.
General intelligence and behavior.